Today we are going to open up a severely ignored gear shifter, have a look at what's going on under its hood and give it a good deep clean. Namaste and welcome to Anand on Two Wheels. Whenever we talk about servicing a bike, we talk about cleaning and adjusting the derailleurs, the chain,
the cables, the brakes, the handlebar, the wheels and so on.
But we hardly talk about that tiny little box called the gear shifter. It's probably one of the most ignored components on cycles, and that's because what's going on inside it is hardly visible to the human eye. To access it, you must open the hood secured by two screws, and that in itself is quite cumbersome and daunting for some people. But cleaning the gear shifter is important because if left ignored for a long time, it can lead to clunky gear shifting, missed shifts, and a total failure. And today we are going to open the hood, have a look at what's going on inside and give it a good deep clean. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing for more such DIY bike content. Keep watching. We start from the rear and remove the cable housing. That was easy. This looks good, can be cleaned and reused. Let's pull out the shifter cable. That's it. It goes all the way here to the right shifter. Time to remove the next piece of housing. Let's open this cover. We'll need to remove these screws. There you go. That's what came out. That's the other end of the cable housing. Slide it out of the way. The cable tip is jammed. I'm using a small screwdriver to pry it out. Lift it up, push it from the other end and pull it till it comes out. These can be cleaned and reused, and this cable will be replaced. So, there you go. Let's repeat the steps for the front shifter cable. Remove the shifters. I'm going to start loosening the clamp bolt with a 5 mm Allen key. Slide out the handle grip to make way for the shifter. Slide out the shifter. That's it. That's our shifter, and if you look closely, you can see what's going on under the hood. All that dirt and rust because it has never ever been cleaned or lubricated. Not even wiped properly. Kerosene is my all-purpose cleaner for most components. Even diesel should be fine. Give it a good scrub with a paintbrush and try your best to reach all the tight spaces. Almost done. Let's remove the brake adjuster barrel. It's better to remove these tiny bits before cleaning. Anyway, let's clean the barrel adjuster threads. Now soak up the leftover kerosene with a cotton cloth and don't worry about what's remaining. It will evaporate and dry out in some time. Clean the adjuster threads with a toothbrush. Okay, it's clean. Goes in here, and that's it. Now the cover, especially the inside of the position indicator. Cleaning the inside of the window is important. And you can see it's become clear now. And check out the kerosene. You can clearly tell which one has been cleaned. And here's how it finally looks. Clean inside out. Here's how the rear shifter works. Let's downshift. You can see how this tiny bit got locked in the bottom groove and rotated the disc. And this locks the position, making that click sound. This is the upshift lever. It releases one tooth at a time, allowing the rear derailleur to shift to the next smaller cog. Now, based on how this works, we need to lubricate the outer teeth, inner teeth, locks and spring. Let's do it. I use sewing machine oil to lubricate the spring and locks. It's easily available, it's cheap and does a good job. Gear oil for teeth because we need viscosity that stays for a long time. Lap up some oil on the earbud. Smear it in gaps between the teeth. Smear some on the downshift teeth. Okay. Alright. We lube the spring, teeth and locks. Always wipe any excess oil. As much as you can and done. That's smooth. Do try this and let me know. That was the best part treatment shifters can get in extreme cases. But let's say if your cycle is fairly new and undergoes periodic maintenance, then it's a good practice to open up the hood, dust off all the dust, blow it out, lubricate the internals, and that will prolong the life of your shifters and you will get those precise shifts and distinct clicks that will put a smile on your face. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such DIY bike content. See you until my next one, and until then, take care, ride safe and keep it rolling on two wheels. Bye-bye.